Hello, hello! Today I am going to make a French baguette and I'm going to review this recipe. Okay, so the first step was to put in the warm water and mix in your yeast and a tablespoon of flour. So I'm doing half his recipe because I only have a small oven. 250 grams of flour. 5 grams of salt. Don't know what I'm doing, but it's a bit dry, so I'll add a bit of water. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. Minutes up, and the recipe says we need to fold the dough, and it's going to be extremely sticky, and he recommended that you get your hands wet. Actually, both videos said to get your hands wet, and then do something like this. You grab it on the side, and then it's warm. And then you pull it straight up like this. Ooh, no, it's broken. And then you fold it. So do it on all 4 sides. And then you fold it onto itself. Okay, so we've done 4 rounds of stretch and fold. Now what we're supposed to do is do a gluten test. And what he does is, he says peel out a little piece of dough. And then you stretch it to see if you can get it to go translucent before it breaks. Okay. And then now we're trying to shape it into a rectangle shape. Now we're going to shape it. And he's using a baking spray. I don't have a baking spray, so I'm going to maybe oil my hands just a little bit. Okay, I say a little bit. Record it. Might be over here. So do this, fold it in half, and then seal the seam, and then fold it in half again, and then seal the seam again. And I'm going to try and pick this up and put it here, because he says to roll the ends. That's how you get the signature tapered look. So I'm preheating the oven right now to 220 Celsius. That's the maximum it'll go. And I have a lower tray filled with water and the top tray preheating as well. So 15 minutes. Okay. Ooh, it's stuck again. No. He explains in his video why he does it, or why it needs to be done. It's so that you have a controlled area where the gas will release from. Before I put it in, I need to spritz it. Okay. Now that 5 minutes is up, he says to bring it out and spritz it again, because that gives it the nice crunchy crust. And then bake for another 15 minutes. See how they look? Oh wow. Ignore the bent tip, but I think they look really good and they smell really good. It's not quite done at the bottom. Should I flip it around? Maybe I should. Because my baking tray is so small. I don't know. What does it look like? We will try. Okay.
Homemade baguette.
So very crunchy on the outside. Oh wow, so crunchy. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna drop my hands off. Baguettes will always be yummy with butter. Okay, you can add that.
Baguettes.
Baguette juice. It's a bit hard.
I like it.
Really? Maybe not airy enough. I could probably do better if I fold it more. But hey, for a noob, I think it's maybe not too bad. I don't have a razor, so the knife didn't really do the scoring well. I think it's okay. It's not bad at all. I like it. It was a really simple recipe to follow. And you'll probably have all of the ingredients at home anyway. So give it a go. You know, if you can't find good baguettes like myself, then give it a go.